Hello mga ka-Mike's TV! It's me again, Maica, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, magluluto tayo ng traditional Bicolano dish, ang Bicol Express. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Just click the notification bell for more videos.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
Ang kawali, lagyan ng mantika. Unahing lutuin ang baboy bago natin igisa. Lagyan ng pamintang durog at asin. Haluin mabuti. Pag golden brown na, hanguin at ilagay sa pinggan. Pag nahango na ang baboy, pwede na tayong mag-isa. Igisa ang bawang, sibuyas, at baboy. Haluin. Ilagay ang bagoong alamang at haluin. Hayaang maluto ang bagoong alamang. Pag luto na ang bagoong alamang, ilagay na natin ang pangalawang gata or half coconut milk, half water at haluin. Hayaang kumulo ng 5 minuto. Ilagay na ang sitaw. Haluin mabuti. Pagluto na ang sitaw, isunod ng ilagay ang siling verde. Ilagay na rin ang unang gata or pure coconut milk at haluin. Lagyan ng pamintang durog at asin na naayon sa inyong panlasa. Haluin. Ayan, malapit nang maluto ang ating Bicol Express with sitaw. Tikman na natin. Sarap talaga. Pakuluan ng 5 minuto. Ayan, luto na ang Bicol Express with sitaw. Di ko pala nilagay muna ang siling labuyo para di umahang masyado. Para pwedeng makain ng aking anak na maliit. Ilagay na sa serving plate. Ready to serve na! Tara na! Kain na tayo, guys! Kung gusto nyong magpa-shoutout sa mga susunod kong video, just comment down below para kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more videos. Bye-bye! See you on my next vlog. Mwah! Thank you for watching!